we're going to do a visualization where you're going to be able to visualize that for yourself. Okay? Can I get a thumbs up? I want to know if everyone is on board. Everyone is here. Everyone is ready? Yes? Okay, let's do it then. I invite you to close your eyes and sit back, relax, and just tune inward. So this is a moment for you to listen to how you're feeling. This might be like an emotion that is coming up. It could be a sensation in your body, perhaps pain, pleasure. And breathe deeply. And I want you to see yourself in 1 year. You're seeing your version of yourself in 1 year time from now. And you're looking at her and she's in nature. She might be at the top of a beautiful mountain, looking at the horizon. She might walk in a forest or on the seaside by the beach. So take a few seconds to visualize that future self. She's the most magnetic version of yourself. She's very feminine, comfortable in her body, confident. I want you to observe her now. What does she look like? What is she wearing? And what is it about her that makes her feel so magnetic? Be curious about her. You can look at what she's wearing, how her hair looks like, how she's walking. What's her pace when she's walking? And now I want your present self to walk close to her. So your present self is walking closer to your future self. She's getting closer to her. And as she's getting closer and closer to her, you can start feeling the energy of your future self, your magnetic feminine queen. She's got that really magnetic energy. I want you to feel that. What kind of energy is it? Does it feel warm? Does it feel fresh and cool? What color is it? Is there a shape to that energy? And you might even see and feel that golden, like a golden bubble around the queen, around your future self. Maybe there's a big golden bubble around her and it's like a magnetic energy around her. something that people can feel when they come close to her. So observe that. Maybe that's a different shape for you, different color. And your present self is now going to stand in front of your future self. And ask if there's any message, anything that she should know. Maybe your future self has a message for you, or an object, a gift. And receive it fully. Take it. You can thank her now, and you can tell her you're going to visit her again and again. You're grateful for her. She's your guide. And you can breathe deeply, deep inhale through the nose. And deep exhale through the mouth. Deep inhale through the nose. And deep exhale through the mouth. And now you can come back, open your eyes. And I would like to invite you to write 3 words that describe that future magnetic self. Three words. I'm seeing some comments: vibrant, energetic, softness, peace, happiness. Confident, feminine, and peace. Glowing, magnetic, super fresh. Love it. Keep going. Those words are important. I invite you to write those words in your notebook. Those words are important because they are the ingredients to your queen, to your dominatrix, to your leader, to your future.